Hey guys, this is Pranay and you're watching Technomaster. So guys, today in this video I'm going to compare Realme's newly launched Realme Narzo 30A with Infinix Hot 10. So before starting this comparison video guys, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then click that subscribe button guys, and then press the bell notification icon so that you guys will get notified each time we upload a new video. So guys, let's quickly get started. So let's start this video guys with the screen size. So Narzo 30A comes with 6.5 inches 20:9 HD plus mini water drop notch display, and on the other hand Infinix Hot 10 comes with 6.78 inches 20:9 HD plus pinhole design display. Now let's move towards the processor. So Narzo 30A comes with octa-core MediaTek Helio G85 12nm based processor with Mali G52 GPU, and on the other hand guys, Infinix Hot 10 comes with octa-core MediaTek Helio G70 12nm based processor with same G52 GPU. Now let's move to the RAM and ROM. So Narzo 30A comes with two different variants, 3GB RAM with 32GB storage and 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, and microSD card slot is expandable up to 256GB on this device. And on the other hand guys, Infinix Hot 10 comes with the same two different variants. So first variant comes with 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, and second one comes with 6GB RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and microSD card slot is expandable up to 128GB on this device. Now let's move to the Android version guys. So Realme Narzo 30A comes with Android 10 out of the box with Realme UI on the top, and on the other end Infinix Hot 10 comes with same Android 10 out of the box with XOS 7 on the top. Now dual SIM with 4G LTE support is there on both the devices. Now let's move the cameras. So Narzo 30A comes with dual rear cameras. So first sensor is a 13 megapixel shooter with aperture of f2.2. Second one is 2 megapixel black and white portrait lens. Now on the other hand guys, Infinix Hot 10 comes with triple rear cameras. So first sensor is a 16 megapixel shooter with aperture of f1.79. Second one is 2 megapixel macro lens, and last one is 2 megapixel depth sensor. Now let's move to the front cameras. So Narzo 30A comes with single 8 megapixel of front camera with aperture of f2.0, and Hot 10 comes with single same 8 megapixel of front camera with aperture of f1.8. Now let's move to the fingerprint scanner guys. Both the handsets comes with rear mounted fingerprint scanner, and face unlock is also there on both the devices. Now let's move to the battery. So Narzo 30A comes with 6000 mAh of battery capacity with 18 watt fast charging support, and Infinix Hot 10 comes with 5200 mAh of battery capacity. Now let's move to the pricing guys. So starting price of Narzo 30A is 9000 Indian rupees, whereas starting price of Infinix Hot 10 is 10,000 Indian rupees. Now let's jump to the conclusion guys. So guys, according to me guys, I think both the handsets are very good at their price. Both of them justify their price, but guys, if you are looking for a phone for entertainment purposes and for photography at under 10,000 Indian rupees, then Infinix Hot 10 is for you. But if you want good performance, then I think Narzo 30A is a good choice for you. So it depends upon you which one you want. So thanks for watching guys. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below guys, and make sure that you hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then click that subscribe button and then press the bell notification icon so that you guys will get notified each time we upload a new video. So thanks for watching guys.